In this video, I'll show you how to buy a Visa gift card with Afterpay, so you can buy gift cards using Afterpay step by step. To get started, open the Afterpay app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, scroll down a bit on the home screen until you see the option that says Gift Cards. Tap on Gift Cards, and here you'll find all the different gift cards that are available to purchase using Afterpay. Scroll through the list and look for the Visa gift card option. After you select the Visa gift card, you'll be asked to choose the amount you want. For this example, let's say you choose a $20 Visa gift card. After you select the $20 amount, you'll see how Afterpay breaks that total into for smaller payments, so instead of paying everything at once, you're paying it in installments. Next, you'll see an option asking whether you want to send this gift card to someone else or keep it for yourself. Choose the option that fits what you want to do. If you're buying it for yourself, select that option and enter the email address where you want the Visa gift card to be delivered. Double-check the email to make sure it's correct, then tap Continue. From here, just follow the instructions that Afterpay shows on the screen. The app will guide you through confirming the purchase and selecting or confirming your payment method. Once everything is approved, just wait for the process to finish, and that's it. You've successfully bought a Visa gift card using Afterpay, and it will be sent to the email you provided. And one quick tip before you go: whenever you're buying or using digital gift cards online, it's smart to protect your connection. I personally recommend NordVPN for extra security, and there's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.